As the natural habitat of peace lily is a tropical rainforest, you must imitate those conditions in your home. You can achieve an environment that your peace lily would prefer by setting optimal temperature, applying a balanced amount of water, and using water with good quality. The most common enemy of peace lily is root rot. Root rot is something that can occur when you have been watering your plant way too much. Essentially, if you keep watering your peace lily more than you should, then the issue is going to get way worse. Over time, the peace lily is going to have its roots completely rot. If you look at the roots of the peace lily, then you might notice that they have become mushy. To treat peace lily root rot, trim the affected roots, disinfect the remaining healthy roots to completely kill pathogens. Now repot your peace lily in a new container and soil, and only water when the topsoil is dry. Sometimes it's not going to be possible to save a peace lily that is suffering from root rot. Whether the plant will survive or not will depend on how advanced the root rot is. Before watering your peace lily, always test the moisture of the soil by placing 2 fingers about 2 inches deep in the pot. If it's dry, then it's time to water. Peace lilies are also great at letting you know if they need a drink because their leaves and blooms will droop when they're thirsty. The peace lily doesn't tolerate underwatering. If you forget to water your peace lily, you can expect the leaves to shrivel and die very soon. The roots won't have enough water to transport to other parts of the plant when the soil is too dry. And peace lilies are sensitive to the chemicals in tap water, meaning distilled or bottled water is a better option when watering them. Continuous use of unfiltered water can cause the tips of your plant's leaves to darken as a result, leading to crisp black edges. Peace lilies are none too fond of direct sunlight and will begin to develop darkened tips if exposed to it. Best to place your houseplant close to windows that receive early morning sunlight. It should be kept out of the direct path of the light, but close enough to it. As far as I know, watering problems and excessive amount of sunlight are the most common reasons your peace lily plant leaves are turning black and yellow. Because underwatering is always noticeable in peace lily plants, but overwatering is a silent killer and very confusing. Hope you learned something today. Subscribe for more houseplants videos.